Hey everyone, so I've got my bear solar light. I just love the way this looks. My wife and I are very much in love with this because it's so cute. So we've got a larger bear here. I assume that's the mama bear holding the baby bear. This is actually 10 inches. It's got a lot of nice detail to it. And of course we got the solar light. Now the light itself, on the very bottom of it, we've got a switch. It's on and off. So it does take right around 6 to 8 hours to charge. And then once it's charged, it's going to go ahead and run anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. You can see in here we got a little light. This is all made of metal and plastic. Now the bear's made of plastic too, but look, you can look and see the details of the eyes. I mean, they look real. And of course, we've got the snout with the different colors here. I mean, this looks really good, whether it's in your garden, just in the grass, up on a table. Looks fantastic at night. This light, the way it shines at night against the bears, it just looks really nice. And I just love the way it looks with all the detail. I hope you found this review helpful.